Hey there and very welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create the ninth exercise given by Code with Harry in his 100 Days of Python course, right? But before doing that, I want to tell you guys that how you can make 5,000, 10,000, or even more money by using Python on a beginner level. So I am going to tell you all the things I did to do the same to make 5,000 on my first work, you can say, how I did that and how you can do the same, how you can earn money on a monthly basis also by doing that. I am going to give you a step-by-step guide what exactly you have to do. You don't have to do anything else, you don't have to think by yourself, you just have to copy and paste to earn that much money. If you know Python on a beginner level, I'm going to tell you everything about it. So if you don't want to miss that, please consider subscribing this channel because I'm going to make that video. I'm working on that video, right? So please consider subscribing this channel and let's get to the main part of the video, which is this exercise 9. So in this exercise 9, we are given a list, right, in which there are some names and your and our program should pronounce shout out to those names, as you can see, right? Note, if you're using Windows, try to figure out how to do the same thing using some other packages. So Code with Harry was using Mac that time, so he said that if you're using Windows, try to figure out how you can do the same, because this is also a little complex topic, right? A little complex exercise. You can do the same with OS module, but I'm not going to use that because that just makes the program more complicated and not that much easy to understand or readable. So I'm going to use this pyttsx3 module, right? You can use this is a very good module to use the text to speech feature. So to use this module, we firstly have to import it, and to import it, you basically have to open command prompt and type pip install pyttsx3 and the module would get installed. After that, you have to give a name to give a constant name, right, to this pyttsx3 dot init and these brackets, right? You have to do the same thing. You can take the name of your choice, but you have all but after equals to, you have to do the same thing. After that, uh, you have to take the names you want to give shout out to. So first I'm going to take my name, then we are going to take Code with Harry name, of course, then we are going to take Guido van Rasson name. Sorry if I pronounced his name wrong. He is the creator of Python, so I thought I should give shout out to them. Shout out to him. Then Barry Warsaw and Nick Colan. So you can Google them and find out who are they. Okay, so after that, for name in names. So for name in name is basically Atharvakshat, Code with Harry, Guido van Rossum, Barry Warsaw, and Nick Colang individually, right? Note it individually. So for name in names, print shout out to name means Atharvakshat, Code with Harry, and all of them individually, right? Then firstly we're going to print it, note it, right? And after that we are going to use the text to speech feature by using this pyttsx3 library. So we are going to do ai.say and shout out to name. So AI basically the computer will say shout out to and then name. What is name? Name is Atharvakshat, Code with Harry, Guido Anderson, Barry Warsaw, and Nicola individually. So after that, ai.say, you have to do this ai.run and wait, otherwise the program won't run, right? So make sure to use this dot run and wait also, right? So now let's run this program and see if it's working or not. So let's run this program.
Shout out to Atharva Akshat. Shout out to Code with Harry.
To Atharvaksha.
Shout out to Guido Van Rossum. Shout out to Barry Warsaw. Shout out to Nick Collin.
Barry Warsaw and Nick Collin. Okay, so now I think you heard it, right? And you understood this piece of code I've written. If you want this code, I'll give this code in the description. If you want to do any freelance work with me, I am open to do any freelance work. You can definitely contact me. Every detail of me is in the description of this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.